What God is about to do in your life will shock you. Not one, but two beautiful babies. Double joy, double testimony. Soon you'll forget the pain because your hands will be full holding your two precious babies.
Come unto me, all ye that labor and are heavy laden, and I will give you rest.
The nights you thought no one heard you, heaven was listening. Your reward is coming. Two babies, double testimony. The world will celebrate with you because God is giving you double blessings, two beautiful babies. Your prayers are turning into something big. Two babies, double joy, unstoppable testimony. You will decorate your home, prepare your baby's things, and rejoice your time has come.
Get ready. What God is about to do will amaze you and the whole world. Two babies, double blessings. Behold, my gift is both.
Soon, your prayers will turn into praises. You'll be holding your two beautiful babies, thanking God with tears of joy. May your family experience nothing but peace, joy, and good news. God has not forgotten you. That silent home will soon be filled with the sound of your baby.